Ever stared at your oven and thought, that's a burnt mess? Today, we've got the easiest, cheapest, and most natural solution for you. First up, the star of our show, lemons. You've got a couple of these lying around, don't you? Okay, let's cut 3 or 4 of these beauties in half. Watch your fingers. Squeeze out that zesty goodness into an oven-safe dish. And don't throw away those rinds. And hey, if you're out of fresh lemons, bottled lemon juice works too. Just use what you've got. Here's a little trick. Toss your lemon rinds in the bowl. They're like the backup dancers to our lemony main act. Next, pour in some water. Not too much, just a little less than halfway. And in it goes, right into the oven. See? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Literally! Set your oven to a cozy 250 degrees Fahrenheit and let it bake for about 45 minutes. It gives you time for a welcome cup of coffee or putting another load in the wash. Ooh, look at that steam! That's the magic happening right there. The steam and lemon duo is breaking up all that gunk. Now, once it cools down, a little gentle scrub and, presto, your oven floor is as clean as the day it was installed. So, who knew? The secret to a clean oven was in your fruit bowl all along. Until next time, keep it fresh and clean.